The concepts covered are: introduction, lines of symmetry for regular polygons, rotational symmetry, line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Symmetry. The images which can be divided into identical halves are called symmetrical. To be symmetrical, the two halves of a shape must be of same shape and size. Asymmetric. If the shape is not symmetrical, then it is said to be asymmetrical. Line of symmetry. It is imaginary line which divides the image in two equal parts. It can be horizontal or vertical. Lines of symmetry for regular polygons. Regular polygon, a closed figure bounded by straight line segments of equal length, is called a regular polygon. For example, a square is a regular quadrilateral figure. If an object has more than one line of symmetry, then such figures are said to have multiple lines of symmetry. Each regular polygon, like triangle, square, etc., has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides, as shown in the given figure. Types of symmetry. Reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is the symmetry in which a figure divides itself into two halves such that one half is the mirror image of the other half. Rotational symmetry. When an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. The rotation turns an object about a fixed point known as center of rotation. The angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. A full turn means a rotation of 360 degrees. A half turn means rotation by 180 degrees, and a quarter turn is rotation by 90 degrees. Rotational symmetry. If a figure rotates at a fixed point, then that point is the center of rotation. It could rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. While rotation, the measurement of the angle which we take is the angle of rotation. And a complete rotation is of 360 degrees. If the angle of rotation is 180 degrees, then it is called half turn, and if the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, then it is called a quarter turn. Line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Some shapes have only line symmetry and some shapes have only rotational symmetry, but there are some shapes which have both types of symmetry. Example: find whether the given image has rotational symmetry or line symmetry or both. Rotational symmetry. If we rotate the image clockwise at an angle of 360 degrees around its center, then it will have rotational symmetry of order 1 or no symmetry, as every image will look same if we rotate it at 360 degrees. This will not look the same at every 120 degrees because of the color of the balls at its edges. Line symmetry. This figure will have 3 lines of symmetry. As there are 3 possible lines which can divide the image into 2 equal halves,